Hey everybody, welcome back to RC Cars. Today we're going to unbox this Tamiya Hotshot II Blockhead Motors edition. My favorite part about this kit is that the body is already pre-cut and pre-painted, so we can skip all of that work. I'm going to be live streaming the building of this kit this Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, May 27th through the 29th on my YouTube channel right here. Come check it out, watch me build it live. Let's not waste any more time and get this box open. All right, here we go. The first thing, of course, I see is the pre-painted body. It is this very good looking, it's called Brilliant Blue. It's PS30 if you're curious. So I'm really happy that this is already pre-painted. And I see a couple, I think those are going to be skip plates. And of course, we have these silver wheels, front and rear, and looks like these are the front and these are the rears. And these are plastic, they're not aluminum. It's very good looking. I have some more silver parts. Probably the rear wheel hub. And I'm not sure what those are going to be. Oh, it's the, it's going to be the wheel hex, I think, the wheel axle. This is going to be part of the wheel, I think. And I see the servo saver and some other silver parts here. Very cool. And in this bag, we have, I think this is the cage. I don't know if you can see the outline. You can see the outline of the chassis right there. So I think this is going to be the cage of the buggy. Very cool. And here is the Hobby Wing 1060 ESC. And this looks like the lower deck or the tub chassis underneath. That's going to be what this is. And then on this side, I see the wheel hexes and some other miscellaneous pieces right there. In this bag, I'm sure this is part of the tub chassis somehow. That's probably going to be the skip plate. I see these are probably part of the wheel. Probably part of the suspension system. That looks like a damper stay or shock tower. Very cool. This is very different from the TTO2 or on-road kits that I normally build. And of course, here is the transmission case. So the gearbox is going to be in here. It looks like it's going to be 4 pieces. That's really cool. Nice. And this bag is going to be, it looks like it's going to be another part of the tub chassis, I think. All right, that's this. And here are the 4 wheels, and these are really bigger than I expected. And the lugs are very, very aggressive. And I don't know if you can see, you get some that are studded, and then you get some that are kind of a point. Very cool. So 2 front and 2 rears. There's one more tree down here, and that looks like it's a giant bumper. That's going to be, yeah, I guess that's going to be the bumper. And here's probably a skid plate right here. And yeah, just some other miscellaneous pieces. And this should be the decal sheet. And this is, that looks like it's foam. It's foam tape. Here are all the decals. This netting right here is actually kind of like a mesh. It's 3-dimensional, so that's pretty cool. And then of course the Blockhead livery decals, very nice. Let's see if there's anything in this box right here. Nope, it's just like a little stand. Let me grab all of this and then I'll show you what's in here. Okay, we have instructions on how to do the templates. These are going to be the number plates, and then also the netting. That's pretty cool. This is a disclaimer that comes with every Tamiya RC kit. And here's the manual itself. Very cool. Printed very nicely. It looks, the picture usually is not as good as this. I'm going to have a great time building this kit. And I'm going to guess all of the screws and parts bags are going to be in here. And it comes actually in a box. How cool is this? Let me take this away. All right, let's see what's inside. And of course, the driver figure. Very cool. See this yellow one here. These look like it's going to be the lights, the lamps that are on the outside of the body. That's pretty cool. And it's pre-painted. And these are the arms. These are probably going to be the lower arms, but don't quote me on that, but I have a feeling these are going to be the lower arms. And these are going to be the upper arms, I think. We shall see. And let's see, here's some templates. This is a plastic sheet for the lamp lenses. Hold on to that bag. And this is the antenna. I normally don't put on antennas, but this is so retro and so cool that I'm going to definitely put this on the car. And here's a bag of gears. I got more stuff right here. And here is, these are going to be parts of the dampers or shocks. You can see some rings over here, the pistons and the mounts. Anything else? And here's the damper shock bodies. All right, anything else in here? Nothing else in here. Let's move on to this bag. Oh, I can see E, so it's going to be a large bag. So let's find A. A is usually red. There it is. So this is going to be the A parts bag. And there's a lot of stuff here. I see ball bearings. Some really nice bearings right there. I see some bevel gears. Wheel axle. I think those are probably outdrive. A little tube of, I think these are ceramic. Yeah, ceramic grease. Of course, you get the cross wrench and the Allen wrench. I see some E-clips, some shafts. Actually, these are hollow. There may be standoffs. We shall see. And some smaller gears. That's the pinion gear. And yeah, some plastic bushings and the motor plate. So that's the A parts bag. Let's see, where's B? This is B parts bag. This is heavy. We have this giant dog bone right here. We have a couple carbon fiber cutouts. I'm going to guess these are part of the suspension, but I don't know. I haven't really gone through the entire manual to study it. I see a couple dog bones right there. These are also dog bones, so we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have some plastic bushings, some serrated nuts. I see some ball ends, and there's some really interesting parts here. These are kind of stamped aluminum parts, the body clips, and just a whole bunch of other things in here. Of course, there's always screws in every bag. I see a couple drive cups right here, and I see a bunch of suspension pins. All right, so that is the B parts bag. And C parts bag is over here. Maybe that's a grill, we shall see. A lot of screws in this bag. I see some zip ties. This is double-sided tape. And then these plastic parts in the back here. I can't really make out what they are. These are probably rod ends. Yeah, these are turnbuckle ends right there. And there's this solid piece of aluminum right here. Can't wait to find out what that is. That's the C parts bag. B parts bag is the damper parts. We have the springs, the damper oil, and a lot of screws. I see the wheel nuts in here. Yeah, and this is the D parts bag. The E parts bag is going to be, I think these are going to be, these are plastic and they're clear. I don't remember seeing any windows, so I'm going to guess these are going to be the number plates possibly. And some more zip ties, some more screws, spacers, nuts, miscellaneous stuff. Very cool. That's the E parts bag. And these are going to be the front uprights. You can see that's where the steering links would go, and this is where the two wheels would be mounted on. So very cool, and they are silver plastic. And of course, this kit comes not only with the ESC, it also comes with this special edition Blockhead motor, brushed motor. It's pretty cool. I wonder if this is a same as the Torque Tune or the Sport Tune. I'm going to guess it's going to be the same as the Torque Tune motor. That's pretty cool. I like that. All right, so that is the Tamiya Hotshot II Blockhead Motors. I'm going to be live streaming the build this Saturday, Sunday, and Monday for this kit. And it's all going to happen at 8 a.m. Pacific time. And if you're watching this video sometime in the future, look for the VODs in the live section of my channel. In the meantime, check out some other unboxing videos right here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.